In this video, you will learn how to install Passbolt open source password manager, based on PHP, MySQL, and OpenPGP. You can install it on your server because it is a self-hosted application server. Although Passbolt was created mostly for teams, you can still use it to manage your own passwords. This guide is based on Rocky Linux 9, but you can also follow this guide on any Red Hat-based system. To get started, run the curl commands to download the Passbolt repo setup script, and the SHA-512 some cryptographic hash file of it. Then, run the following command to verify the integrity of the Passbolt repo setup script, and run it to add the Passbolt repository to your system. Once the Passbolt repository is added, your terminal will display the following output. Run the dnf command to install the Passbolt CE server package to your system. After Passbolt server is installed, run the command passbolt configure to start configuring Passbolt. This command will start the setup wizard of Passbolt password manager. First, you will be prompted to set up the MariaDB database server. Input 1 and press enter to confirm the MariaDB server installation. Then, you will be asked to create a password for the MariaDB root user. Type the password again to verify. In this step, you will be asked to provide the database username and password that Passbolt will use. The Passbolt setup wizard will automatically create these credentials for you. Next, you will be asked to enter the database name for Passbolt. The Passbolt setup wizard will also handle creating the database for you. Enter the host name under which Passbolt will run. This host name will be used as server name in the Nginx configuration. Now you will be asked to set up SSL for your Passbolt installation. You can use different methods to set up SSL, but for this video, we will manually create the self-signed certificate and provide the full path of SSL certificates. Open a new terminal and run the following OpenSSL command to generate a self-signed SSL certificate and private key. Once the files are generated, return to the previous terminal and enter the paths to the SSL certificate and the SSL private key. The Passbolt wizard will now install and configure Nginx and MariaDB, based on the information you provided. At the end of the process, you will be notified to connect to the Passbolt web interface to complete the configuration. Open your web browser and go to the URL provided by the installation script. Since a self-signed certificate was used, your browser will display a certificate authority invalid warning. Click Advanced, then choose to proceed to the URL. You will be greeted with the Passbolt setup wizard. Proceed with the configuration by clicking on Get Started. And then, click Start Configuration. Begin by providing the database details we created earlier. For the database connection URL, enter localhost because MariaDB is installed on the same server as Passbolt. Then, enter the username, password, and the database name that you created in the previous step. Once you have entered the database details, click Next to proceed to the following step. Enter your server name and server email address. And then click Next to proceed to the next step. In this step, you can keep the default settings and click Next. In this step, configure the SMTP server settings. Enter the appropriate values, then click Next to continue. Now in the admin user details, enter your first name and last name. For the username, use a complete email address with a domain. Otherwise, it will cause an error and prevent you from continuing. Now click Next to continue. The Passbolt wizard will now configure your installation. The next step will ask you to install the Passbolt extension for your browser. Go ahead and install the extension. Once the browser extension is installed, click Next. The next step will prompt you to create a passphrase. This passphrase will be used to access your Passbolt account, so make sure to remember it. After clicking Next, you will be prompted to download and save your recovery kit. The recovery kit allows you to regain access to your account if you forget your passphrase. So make sure to save it in a secured location and remember where you save it. Now select a color and enter a security token. This token is used to prevent malicious web pages to trick you, by mimicking Passbolt dialogues, in order to steal your data, for example, to protect you from phishing attacks. Click Next to continue. That's it. You have successfully deployed Passbolt. That's all for now. Drop me your feedback and comments below. If this video helped you in any way, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.